Still in Clarendon, police investigators were kept busy on Emancipation Day following a series of shootings. In one incident, 47-year-old O'Neill Hunter was shot and killed while tending to his animals in bushes in Content District. Mr. Hunter was attacked by two armed men with a shotgun and a rifle. A licensed firearm holder who was with Mr. Hunter at the time challenged the gunmen, but they managed to escape. The licensed firearm holder was unharmed. Investigators believe the murder stemmed from a dispute between the deceased and a gangster based in Yorktown in the parish. In the meantime, 18-year-old Jermaine Simpson, also known as JJ, was shot and killed by gunmen in Buckner District. Police say the murder took place minutes after 7 p.m. when Simpson returned home and was securing his motorcycle. Detectives are also probing the shooting of a 40-year-old from Laneltown. The man was shot and injured by a lone gunman about 5 p.m. Sunday while he was riding his bicycle on Yonge Street.